Willkommen. Bitte. We are in the Europe Union Parliament. This is the President of Europe Union, Mrs. Angela Schulz. Mrs. Angela Schulz, what are you talking about political economic crisis about lands around the Europe Union, who are new members in the Europe Union? What's your politics next 20 years? Say me please, Mrs. Angela. What do you talk about? Let me say. Yeah? Yeah, yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. And? Okay. Ja, ja. Ja? Ja, ja, naturally. Understand. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Dankeschön, Mrs. Angela. Mrs. Angela, Dankeschön very much. Mrs. Angela said that we must crash all money in the banks and will be a big economic crisis in the European Union next 20 years. So be careful and be careful about your money and economic points. So bye to the next emissions European Union channel.